Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. This is my sweet doggy Charlie. Today is day 3 of Empowered, your 5-day walking journey. Today's mantra is I am powerful. When you're ready, meet me back here, slip on your sneakers, and we'll get started. Let's go. All right, my friend, today is day 3. We're halfway through the week. I'm going to go ahead and get my watch started. I'm so happy you decided to click play and get started on this wellness walk. We're here for about 10 minutes today, and our focus is going to be on activating muscles, especially in the lower body. So of course, as always, this is a dynamic workout. We're going to work the whole body, including the cardiovascular system, but with a little bit more emphasis on the lower body. So take it at your own pace. You know, this might be a little bit challenging, but I want to push you, and I want you to gain that confidence and feel stronger and more empowered as we move through this journey. So great job for showing up today. Sometimes that is the hardest part. So you made it here, you committed to this 10-minute walk, and I'm just so proud of you. Halfway through, let's get going. So we start in our basic walk, just walk in place right here. We have those 4 basic moves. I'll show you the next couple here in a moment. Find a little rhythm, find a little pattern here. Walk it out. Get that blood flowing, bring your heart rate up a little bit. Nice job. Just move here. If you're moving, truly you're doing it right. You can do this whole workout also in the chair, just with some different modifications. Nice job. All right, we're going to get the arms involved. Go ahead and I'm going to turn so you can see what we're working with. We're going to lift a knee, lift the arms, lift, and just alternating knee lifts. Engage that core, belly button draws in towards the spine. Lift and lift. And take your time here. Really feel that activation. Maybe you feel it in the glutes already. Fire up those backside muscles. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return back home to your walk. You always come back to home base here. So if you ever get hung up on a move, just return right here. You can do the whole workout just walking in place. You're still moving, using your body. Find your breath. Check in with your breath today. Where's your breath at in your body? You feel it deep in your belly, up in your chest, somewhere in the middle. Just notice here. And breathe well. Walk it out. Next move is going to be a kick. So we're going to kick, alternating, kick. Yeah, and today, maybe reach both arms out, reaching towards the toes. Keep the spine nice and long. So not hunched over. Feel that lean spine as you draw your belly button in. Well done, my friend. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Return to your walk. Charlie is going to town on his bone. You probably hear it in the background there. Sorry about that. I just don't have the heart to take that away from him. Walk it out. Nice. Last move, it's going to be a side step. So we're just going to step and step. Already feeling those muscles of independence turned on. Fire them up. Maybe you sink a little bit lower if you're feeling frisky today. Ooh, nice job. And let's just get those arms up. Bring the arms up. Ooh, and breathe. Now, let's try this. We're going to bring the elbows down as the leg goes back. Yeah. Full body movements, dynamic movements here. Big shapes, take up as much space as you possibly can in your room. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back home, walk it out. Well done. I hope you're feeling warm. I certainly am already. We're about 4 minutes into this walk. So that was our kind of our warm up. We're going to get into the meat of our practice and then of course have a nice cool down towards the end. So just as a heads up, it's kind of the path we're taking here. I am powerful. Say that to yourself. Maybe you say it out loud. Let other people know. And just know that you are powerful. You're strong. You're confident in your movements here. And the more you do this, the more you practice these walking workouts or whatever movement practice you're working on, you get better. You strength train. You build that muscle memory. You find that balance and that confidence, knowing that you can reach for your goals, and whatever you set out to do, my friend, you can do it. I am powerful. Maybe let that be your mantra all day, and just know it to be true. You have that inner strength, a fierce powerhouse. Make it happen. Nice job. All right, I'm going to show you a lower body move. Now I'm going to grab a chair. Maybe you have a wall or a piece of furniture close by. We're going to work on some heel lifts here. So great stretch for the calf muscles and the fascia underside of the foot. Let's just lift here and lower down. Rolling on the ball of the foot and on the heel back and forth. And you might challenge your balance, floating fingers off the chair. Give it a try maybe. But maybe just have that equipment there if you need it. Back and forth we go, really activating through that strong, powerful, what we call gastrocnemius muscle, the calf muscle. You want to impress your friends, you can practice that word a few times. Nice. We got 2 more wherever you are. Lift, down, and then the last one, just see if you can hold here at the top with that balance. 3, 2, and 1. Return back to your walk. March it out. Nice job. Keep going. Blow out that air check and take your talk test if you need to. And let's get moving. Get your knees up, lift and lift. Get the arms up. Nice job. Went right into that one. No stone left unturned today, right? And get that whole body energized, ready to take on whatever the day throws at you. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out, march it out. Bring the breath. We're well over halfway through. Nice job. Take a wide stance. Walk it out. Nice. And bring your feet back together. What's that do with your hip muscles? You feel that in your backside? I hope so. Go ahead and wind your stance. Of course, nothing should ever be painful. So if any of these moves just don't feel right, they probably aren't right for you. So please just return back to that walk and try a different move when you're ready. Nice, bring it back together. Blow out that air. All right, I'm really gonna help you activate your backside muscles of independence. We're gonna take a wide stance and then press into the feet. You're gonna stop your movement. I like to have my toes turned out at like a 45. And then imagine you're sinking down a wall or slowly sitting down a wall. We're gonna lower down for a mini squat and then lift up. Yeah, get in there. We're here several rounds. You can see I like to take a deep lunge. I've been doing this a long time. You might be upright a little bit higher. Maybe that's just as far as you go. It's all good. Check in with those joints, right? If you feel this in the knees, you might just want to skip this squat entirely. Honor your body where you are today, right? You're making yourself stronger. You're willing yourself healthy, right? You stay active, healthy, and strong. Ooh, yeah, nice job. Let's do 2 more. You might be going at a different pace than me. That's all right. Once you get to the bottom of your last one, maybe find a little pulse here. Mini pulse for 3, 2, 1. Well done. Walk it out. Give those muscles a break. Shake it out. Nice job. We're going to reach the fingers up towards the shoulders. Reach up, down, out, and back in. Find a pattern. Get it going. There he goes. Oh, he's the best little doggy. He's our rescue. We've had him close to 12 years. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out, let it go. All right, our next move is going to be a step back. Watch it, join me when you're ready. So it's alternating legs. Find some stillness, you're going to step back and then bring it back in. Other side. Nice. And that might be enough, or if you need to get the arms going, maybe reach the arms forward as you step back. I promise you, you're going to feel this one tomorrow. I always do these workouts, like, you know, I pre-plan them. I did this yesterday. I was like, holy cow, I really feel that today. Nice job. Let's go for 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Walk it out. We are already coming up on 10 minutes. So proud of you. You stuck with it. But don't skip this cool down, okay? It's coming up. Keep going. Can you get your knees a little higher? Maybe you do a little jog in place. Let's be here for 10 seconds. Or just walk. Walk where you are. Nice job. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. And we did it already. That flew by. 10 minutes in the books, my friend. Well done. High fives to you. Nice. Let's slow it down. Slow down your pace. Bring your heart rate down in a healthy way. So we don't just stop cold turkey. Gotta slow it down. Nice. And then take a little toe tap out and out. Maybe reach the arms. Doesn't have to be a fast movement. Take your time. Proud of us today. Nice. Well over halfway through this challenge. It's been such an honor. So much fun to create these videos. Meet some really awesome people so far online. That's been fantastic. You guys keep me inspired. I love hearing from you. As always, you can leave me a comment, reach out. You can definitely also check me out on my website, emilydaugherty.com. Go ahead and come back to that natural pace. We're just going to take a little heel tap and heel tap. Nice. And then if you go on my website, emilydaugherty.com, I'll send you my gentle stride guide. It's a beginner's guide to home walking. Whew. Nice. And inside I have all kinds of tips and tools to get you started on your wellness journey. You'll also be placed on my email list so we can kind of keep it connected throughout the year. Whew. Nice job. 3, 2, and 1. Come back. We worked hard today, my friends. I'm so proud of us. We'll do a little breathing exercise and then we'll call it a day. Catch your breath. Let me catch mine. We're going to inhale. Hands come to about shoulder height. Keep your shoulders soft. And then push the palms towards the earth. Exhale, lower it down. Let's try that again. We'll inhale up. And exhale, push it away, let it go. A few more rounds. Trust yourself here. Just follow your own star. Follow your breath pattern. This is a nice way to downregulate your nervous system anytime you need a little reset. You can practice this breathing technique. Kind of integrates the body and the breath here. How about one more round wherever you are? Nice job, my friends. I just want to honor you as well. Thank you so much for making that commitment to make positive change in this world through your self-care practice. And you're inspiring not only me, but inspiring folks all around you. So your family, your friends, anybody you tell, they're going to be so impressed. You stuck with it so far. You're well over halfway through your 5-day challenge and you're creating that ripple of positive change in this world. So big praise to you. I'm so proud. I can't wait to see you again tomorrow. So take good care. Maybe grab a little snack, definitely something for hydration, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.